Hi everyone, my name is janine dionarce from 11 Tourism Operations 1, and today I will discuss the evaluation of function. So without further ado, let's start. Evaluation of function. Evaluating a function means finding the value of f of x or y that corresponds to a given value of x. To do this, simply replace all of the x variables with whatever x has been assigned. Let's have an example. So example number 1. If f of x is 7x plus 2, find f of negative 4. Here's the solution. So the given is f of x is equal to 7x plus 2 and the given value of x is negative 4. So according to the meaning of evaluation of function, we have to replace all the x variables by the given value of x. So f of negative 4 is equal to 7 times negative 4 plus 2. We replace the variable x beside number 7. 7 times negative 4 is equal to negative 28. Why? Because according to the rule of integer in multiplication, different sign, negative, and same sign, positive. So since 7 is positive and number 4 is negative, it will be negative. So it is negative 28 plus 2. Copy the constant term. We have nothing to change about it. Negative 28 plus 2 is equal to negative 26. Why? Because the rule of integers in addition is different sign. Subtract, copy the sign of the bigger absolute value. Since the bigger value or the bigger number is 28 than 2, we will copy its operation or sign and then subtract. So the answer is negative 26. Okay, let's move on to another example. Example number 2. F of x is equal to 5x raised to the third power plus 7x minus 2 and the given value of x is 6. So again, we have to replace or substitute all the variables by the given value of x. F of 6 is equal to 5 times 6 raised to the third power plus 7 times 6 minus 2. So we have to compute what's in the parentheses first. So since the exponent is 3, we have to multiply the number 6 by itself, to itself rather, 3 times. Hindi yan 6 times 3. 6 times 6 is equal to 36 times 6 is equal to 216. Plus, 7 times 6 is 42 and then copy the constant term. So 5 times 216 is equal to 1080 plus 42 minus 2. 42 minus 2 is equal to 40. And then let's add 1080 plus 40 is equal to 1120. F of 6 is equal to 1120. As the example, if f of x is 10x minus 3 over 2x plus 12, find f of negative 6. So f of negative 6 is equal to 10 times negative 6 minus 3 over 2 times negative 6 plus 12. So 10 times negative 6 is negative 60 minus 3 over 2 times negative 6 is equal to negative 12 plus 12. Negative 60 minus 3 is negative 63. Why? Because the rule of subtraction in integers, same sign, add. So it's 63. Then copy the sign of the bigger absolute value. Since 60 is the bigger number than 3, we have to copy its operation. So negative 63 over negative 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. F of negative 6 is undefined. When the denominator is 0, the solution or the function is called undefined or an extraneous solution. For you to better understand, an extraneous solution is an apparent solution that does not solve its equation. That's the discussion for today. Thank you everyone. I hope you learned something and I hope that you understand our topic for today. Thank you and bye!